You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this scientific name from Latin: common European rabbits. English pronunciation: Oryctolagus. If you want to learn more vocabulary from biology, scientific name, stay tuned. The genus Oryctolagus. How to pronounce in English: Oryctolagus. Stress on the last syllable. Oryctolagus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.